Yes, now here the question, find the difference. It is a very easy question, direct difference he is asking. We have to find the difference here. Our solution. These are 5-digit numbers. First 92,340, 74,625. Then in this is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now how to make minus, how to find the difference, how to find the difference. This is 0 and this is 5. Here 0, this is the lesser value, minute is lesser than the subtrahend. If lesser value, then we take borrow. From here it becomes 3 and here 10, 0 comes 10. 10 minus 5, 5 to 10 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And the very next number, next place, that is 3. 3 and 2. This is minute, this is subtrahend. Minute is bigger, then no need to take borrow. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And hundreds place, 3 and 6. Minute is less. Minute is less, then we take borrow from. 3 comes 13 and 2 comes 1. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 means from 7 to 13 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here 1, here 4. This is minute, this is subtrahend. Minute is lesser. So again we take borrow from here. Then it becomes 11, it becomes 8. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 means from 5 to 11 we have to count 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Then 8. 8 minute is greater. Then this is subtrahend. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is our difference. This is minute, this is subtrahend, this is the difference. So in this way we have to find the difference. Here also the same question. 5-digit number 70,769 is the first numeral. Second 23,874. We have to find the difference of these two. This is the difference. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000 place. Now this is minute, this is subtrahend. Minute is greater than subtrahend, then no need to take borrow. 9 minus 4. 4 means from 5 to 9 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then here 6 and 7. 6 minute is less. Then we take borrow from here. Then 6 comes 16 and 7 comes 6. 16 minus 7. 7 means 7. From 8 to 16 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Here again 6 and 8. This is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Minute is less value. Again we have to take borrow from here. Here 0 is there. Again we go first from here. Here to here. 7. 7 comes 6 and 10. 0 comes 10. Again from here. 10 comes 9 and this is comes 16. 16 minus 8 means 9 to 16 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8. Here 8. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. From 4 to 9 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 6. And 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. From 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4. This is the difference. This is the difference. This is called minute, subtract. 5-digit number difference we found. Then next here. In third question, which number is 7,214 less than 9,249? We have to make minus. How to take minus here? First we have to write bigger number. How much which number is lesser than 7214 less than 9249 means, so we have to find minus from bigger number to smaller number. The bigger number is 9249 and the smaller number is 7214. Then here 9 minus 4, this is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Minute is bigger, no need to take borrow. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 3, this is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Minute is bigger, no need to take borrow. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here minute and subtrahend both are same. Same minus same is 0 according to our third property of subtraction. Then minute, subtrahend. Minute is bigger, no need. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then which number? It means 2035. Which number? 2000 is 7214 less than 9249. 9249. This is our conclusion step. First we have to take bigger number and smaller number. Both the number we make minus. Whatever number is there, whatever is our answer, that number is this much less than this. This much less than the bigger number. The next question, fourth question, the same similar question is there. Which number is 42,084 less than 92,400? 92,400. This is a similar question. This similar question you have to do as your home assignment. And more two questions were there. The two questions also same question, same pattern, no change, nothing. This is also your home assignment. Yes, now students, here. So, here to find missing minute. If minute is not given, then how to find minute in subtraction? So, if we add difference and subtrahend, then we get minute. So, in the first one, so remember this, then minute is not given in the subtraction. Then how to find? We have to add difference and subtrahend. Then we get minute. In the second, if subtrahend is missing, then how to find subtrahend? So minute minus difference. Minute minus difference. From minute, so difference will minus, we make minus the difference, then we get subtrahend. So these two things you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind. Then on based of these two things, some questions were given. Listen here. So this is 8,562 and 5,137. This is the minute. Minute is given and here difference is given. This we have to find. What is this? This is the subtrahend. For finding subtrahend, we make minute minus difference. From this minute, we make minus. From this we have to minus. Why? Because this we have to find. According to this, whenever we are going to find subtrahend, so we have to make minus from when, from which, from minute to the difference. This is minute and this is difference. Then minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. So what is the minute here? 8562. First you take 8562. This is minute. And what is the difference? 5137. This is the subtrahend. We make minus. Subtraction. Subtract difference from minute. Difference from minute, then you will get subtrahend. Then this is 2 minus 7. It's not possible. We take borrow. It becomes 12. It becomes 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 is a bigger. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is your subtrahend. This is a subtrahend. So what is here? Here 3425. We will get 3425. In this way we have to find. In this way we have to find. In the next question, minute is not given. Minute is not given. This is question mark. Here, this is given. Subtrahend is given. And difference is given. These two are given. This is not given. Then how to find minute? For finding minute, we have to add difference and subtrahend. So here, subtrahend plus difference plus is equal to minute, is equal to subtrahend difference. If we add both, then we will get minute. Then take subtrahend. 2962 and 3787. Add these two. That is minute and subtrahend. Add these two. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 and 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. This is our minute. This is our minute. What is our minute? 6749. 6749. This is the answer. In this way we have to find. Say if subtrahend is not given, we add minute and difference. If minute is not given, then we have to find the addition, difference and difference plus subtrahend, difference and subtrahend. So we have to add difference and subtrahend, then we get minute. If subtrahend is not given, minute minus difference we have to find, then we will get subtrahend and minute. This is the method. If whatever is not given, this method we have to follow and we have to find. Now students, here replacing star by correct digit. Here some stars are given. In these stars we have to replace a correct digit. Correct digit. Then in the first star, what should come here? Here, from which number, if we minus this number, then we get 4. So then we add 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. In this way. Why? Because this is the subtrahend, this is the difference. If difference and subtrahend is added, then we will get this one. So in that way we think and we have to write. We have to write. Here, 5 and 6. So subtrahend, this is the minute. Minute is always bigger than the subtrahend. But here minute is lesser. If minute is lesser, we have to take borrow. It will get 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is how much? 9. That we have to take here. How should we know whether we get borrow or not? So we have to check this minute and this subtrahend. Minute is always greater than. Here lesser value is given. So we take borrow from here. And this 7 will get 6. And in 6, what we minus to get these 2? 6 minus 2. Here 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. When 6 minus 4, then we will get 2. We will get 2. In this way we have to think and we have to write. So then again here 6 is there and here 4 is there. Then what should we get here to get this? Here, in from which number the 6 is subtract to get 4? 10 minus 6 is 4. But here there is no 10, means we get here 0. We take borrow from here, it will get 8 and it will get 10. Then 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then after that 8 and 1. What number minus? What number should make minus to get 1? Means 8 minus 1 we check. 8 minus 1 is 7. If we take in the star 7, then 8 minus 7 we will get 1. Here minute and subtrahend and difference. This according to the formula. Minute, this is subtrahend and difference. If we add subtrahend and difference, then we will get minute. According to that base, we should find this one. And after that here 5 and 6 is there. This is minute, this is subtrahend. Minute is always greater than. So here 5 is there, here 6 is there, this is less value. So we understood that we have to take borrow from here. Here we will get borrow, then we get 15 here. 15 minus 6, here in the second star we will get 9. And after that, here 6 is there and here 2 is there. Minute is there and difference is there. Then how we will get subtrahend? Minute minus difference. Minute minus difference, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 is our subtrahend. In that way, in the second formula, minute minus difference is the subtrahend. In the next, here 6 and here 4. So here 4 in from 6, when we get 4, if here we get 10, then only we get 4 here. 10 means here we get 0. If we get 0, if we take borrow from here, it will become 10. And 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. How we found it? How we found this? This is the subtrahend, this is the minute, this is the difference. Subtrahend and difference. So if we add subtrahend and difference, we get 10. This means here 10 we should get 10 here. 10 means here we should get 0. After borrowing we get 10. So in that way we think and we do. And 10 minus 6 is here. 9 is there and this is there. That means minute is there and difference is there. Subtrahend is not there. Then how to get subtrahend? Minute minus difference. Minute minus difference is subtrahend. In that way 8 minus 1 is 7. In that way we have to think and we have to write. And the second question also here. 4 is there. Here difference is always less value. Difference is always lesser than this minute. But difference is greater. So we think that we should take borrow from here. Then it will get 13. 13 and this is the subtrahend. Minute minus difference. Minute minus difference is subtrahend. That is 13 minus 4. So 9. Here we should get 9. And then first one is over. Here we get 4. 4 and 7. This is the bigger value. This is the bigger value. Then how should we know this? How, what number? So then we take borrow from here. Then we will get 14 here. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now it is okay. Then after that here 1 is there. What number should come here to get 1? Here the number is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 should come. But here borrow is there. One more extra number we have to take 8. Then we get 7. After taking borrow we get 7. So in this way we have to think and we have to write. And here 4 and difference is bigger number. So we understood that we should take borrow from here. Here 6 here and here 14. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. Why? Because this is the minute, this is the difference. Minute minus difference is subtrahend. 14 minus 9 is 5. In this star 5 should come. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Here 3 should come. So minute, subtrahend and difference. So what is missing? According to that, we take that. Already we discussed two rules, that minute, subtrahend. When you get borrow, when you should get borrow. So that depends. Here the values, whatever values are given. Minute value is always greater than subtrahend and difference. So that is why check either minute is greater than, bigger than or not. If it is not, then take borrow and make bigger. And after that check which number is missing. So that number you have to find on the basis of minute, subtrahend and difference formula. Then next one. In the ninth question, here the very easy question. This we learn 3 properties of subtraction. On that basis he gave questions, 2 questions, A question and B question. Here 45,409, 45,409. Same number and same number. Same number minus same number. Same number minus same number, always answer is 0. Same number minus same number, answer is 0. Here the number is given, answer is 0. When we get answer 0, the same number. If the same number is here, then only we get answer 0. It means whatever number is here, that same number we have to repeat here. 54,321. 54,321 minus 54,321 is 0. So according to our which rule? The minus rules means subtraction rules. In the subtraction, same number minus same number, answer is 0. On that base, we decide and we should write what is the answer, what is there in the blank.